Did you know that you may improve your cat's health and happiness with a few simple adjustments? We are aware of how crucial it is that you provide them with the greatest life possible. However, we also recognize that taking care of a cat can be difficult. For that reason, I'm sharing with you today 24 incredible tricks that will not only fix the most typical issues, but also change the way you and your pet coexist. Get ready because these tips will make life easier for both of you. First, use a water fountain to encourage hydration. Did you know that cats naturally prefer moving water? This is because in the wild, running water is usually safer and cleaner, while stagnant water can easily become contaminated. A water fountain attracts their attention with the gentle sound of running water, keeps the water fresher for longer, and helps prevent bacteria buildup. Most importantly, it increases your cat's water intake, which reduces the risk of kidney and bladder problems. Plus, there are so many beautiful fountain designs that blend perfectly with your home decor, so both your cat and your aesthetic can stay happy. Secondly, to prevent contamination, keep the fountain away from the food bowl. Cats naturally steer clear of drinking water close to their food source in order to shield themselves from food particles. This instinct is still present in domestic cats, so it's best to position the fountain in a quiet corner, away from food bowls and noisy areas. Near a window is a great choice since many cats enjoy watching the outside world while they drink. This tiny tweak can make a tremendous difference in encouraging greater hydration. Next, try adding Warrior green tea leaves to the litter box to reduce odors. Green tea is a natural deodorizer with antibacterial properties. Simply sprinkle dried green tea leaves in the litter box, and they'll help keep odors under control without using harsh chemicals. Green tea is safe for your cat, easy to find, and can be replaced each time you change the litter to keep the box fresh. Another helpful trick is to sprinkle baking soda at the bottom of the litter box. Baking soda is a powerful natural deodorizer. Before adding fresh litter, sprinkle a thin layer of baking soda on the base of the box. It helps absorb unpleasant smells and keeps the litter fresher for longer. Be sure to use food-grade baking soda to ensure it's safe for your pet. If your cat loves climbing where they shouldn't, like the kitchen counter, foil or double-sided tape can be your best friends. Cats dislike the crinkly sound and strange texture of foil, and they hate the stickiness of double-sided tape. Cover off-limit areas temporarily until your cat learns to avoid them. After they get the message, you can remove the materials. To protect your furniture, try wrapping table legs or sofa corners with sisal rope. Cats love scratching textured surfaces, and sisal rope satisfies this natural instinct. It also redirects their scratching to an acceptable location while preserving your furniture. Bonus: sisal rope has a rustic, decorative charm that blends into many home styles. To lessen hairballs, it's also a good idea to incorporate fiber into your cat's diet. In addition to being painful, hairballs may result in stomach problems. A diet rich in fiber promotes better digestion and lessens the development of hairballs. You can experiment with natural options like small amounts of cooked pumpkin or cat foods high in fiber. Be sure to consult your veterinarian for the best option for your cat. Don't forget to brush your cat regularly. Brushing helps remove loose hair, preventing hairballs, and it's also a great bonding activity. Use a brush suited to your cat's coat type and aim to brush them at least twice a week. This keeps their coat soft and shiny and reduces loose hair around your home. If you want to encourage exercise and play, create wall shelves for climbing. Cats love being up high where they can observe their surroundings. Installing shelves at different heights gives them a fun playground and helps prevent destructive boredom behaviors. Just make sure the shelves are securely fastened for safety. If your cat seems bored with old toys, refresh them with catnip. Place the toys in a sealed bag with catnip overnight, and the next day they'll seem brand new to your cat. Catnip triggers sensory excitement, making familiar toys more appealing. Choose high-quality, fresh catnip for the best results. For cleaner indoor air, consider using an air purifier. This helps remove lingering odors, dander, and allergens, creating a healthier home for both you and your cat. To make vet trips easier, leave the carrier open. At home, Place a cozy blanket and a favorite toy inside so the carrier feels like a safe, familiar space instead of a stressful trap. This helps reduce anxiety when it's time for appointments. Investing in pet insurance can also be a lifesaver. Veterinary emergencies can be costly, and insurance ensures you can provide the best care without financial stress. In addition to providing a decorative touch to your plants, if your cat enjoys digging in your potted plants, you can make digging uncomfortable for them without hurting them by covering the soil with sticks, stones, or branches. You can also use natural repellents to keep cats away from plants. Cats dislike the smell of citrus and vinegar. Place orange or lemon peels around your plants or spray the leaves with a water and vinegar mix. But always test on a small area first to avoid damaging delicate plants. When it's bath time, use a sink instead of a bathtub. The smaller space feels less intimidating and gives you more control. Place a towel in the sink to prevent slipping and make your cat feel more secure. To prevent whisker stress, feed on a wand flat plate instead. Because cats' whiskers are so sensitive, eating in deep bowls can be uncomfortable. Flat or shallow plates allow them to eat comfortably, which may also reduce food waste. If your cat loves unrolling toilet paper, prevent the chaos by securing the roll with a rubber band or paper clip. You can also spray the area with a citrus scent as a natural deterrent. Create a pack food puzzle using an empty plastic bottle to turn mealtime into playtime. Poke holes in the bottle, fill it with kibble, and let your cat roll it around to get their food. This slows down eating and provides mental stimulation. You can also train your cat using a clicker and treats. Although they're not dogs, cats respond well to positive reinforcement. Use a clicker to mark desired behaviors, like staying off counters, and follow up with a treat. With patience and consistency, your cat will learn. During moves after bringing in a new pet or family member, or during noisy events like storms and fireworks, use a pheromone diffuser to aid your cat who is stressed by change. These devices release synthetic pheromones that mirror the calming signals cats naturally create. To keep bugs out of your cat's food, draw a chalk circle around the dish. Many bugs avoid crossing chalk, making this a simple, non-toxic solution. Alternatively, you can place the food bowl in a shallow tray of water to block ants. Just ensure the water level doesn't make feeding uncomfortable. For accidents outside the litter box, quickly neutralize urine stains using baking soda and vinegar. Spray the area with vinegar, sprinkle baking soda on top, let it sit, then wipe clean. This combination disinfects and deodorizes naturally. Finally, remember, if your cat suddenly starts urinating outside the litter box, this could indicate a health issue. Don't miss the video on the screen, where we explain common signs your cat may be sick and when it's time to visit the vet. Which of these tricks are you most eager to attempt first then? Do you have any special advice that we missed? Post them in the comments section. We like hearing from you. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell if you like this video so that we may continue to share useful advice and show our furry pets how much we care. I'll see you in the upcoming video.